sides and there. What? I'm 13%? Huh? Tara din tayo sa sala.
Cards natin.
Aray! Ba't nandyan ka na? Uy! Uy, hintay! Oh my gosh. Ay, ta!
Sabi sa'yo, magganto ka na lang o yung may ganto.
Sige, sige. I'm opening muscle things.
Magpipinsin.
Huwag mag-back.
Wag!
Hindi na lang walang huwag mag-back, huwag mag-back, huwag mag-back, huwag mag-back.
Tara, sasala na sala.
Dahil? Ayun. Buti. Uy, burog si Lukoy.
Oh, yata na yung tutorial.
Tutorial. Burog si Lulukoy.
Magaya ka na din yan sa akin. Kakaburog-burog na yan. May burog na ako sa mukha.
Since a controller mode. Yeah, that's it. Nope. Crystal candy. Okay. Ah,
Break mo, break mo. Ayan. Lagyan mo yung cellphone, yung cellphone. Yung tutorial, dito mo ilagay.
tutorial. Dapa ka, dapa. Tutorial. Tutorial.
Kinak.
Tutorial. Pusang maingay-ingay si Mingming katikat-kat. Nauna pa kami sa'yo, di ba? Tara. Sige. Kabagal eh. Tapos na tayo. Di ba?
Look at me. Look at me. My skin look is so very, very clean.
Wow. I like that skin.
Kasi kailangan niya gray. Saan niya kaya ilalagay? Mamaya. Advance ka.
Ito naman. Memorize ko na. The back side.
This is the front.
Yeah. I'm on the back.
We're going to create, we go in by one to create a line of quartz blocks.
Memorize ka na.
This is going to be the front.
Ah!
And also we're going to grab some glass panes where we can use, just see, maybe gray or light gray. Well, light gray seems to be too light for me. Just see.
Ayan.
Oh yeah, it's just too light, so we're going for the gray.
Ako, memorize ko na.
Normal gray one. So
Wala nang door dito kasi itong likod eh, di ba?
with this glass,
Ah!
well, in the middle, we can leave a 2 blocks gap.
Oh, wait lang.
Oh,
Wala pa sa bilis ah.
with this glass. Well, in the middle, we can leave a 2 blocks gap.
That's it.
I mean, 2 by 2 blocks gap. It's going to be a door. Let me just see. Okay, and maybe also,
And then, put the block of quartz here.
yeah, you can just make this door longer. And now, between these two glass panes, you can place like some or birch fence.
Bilis mo.
We can just make this door longer.
Sa palikid. Uy, tayo.
And now, these two glass panes, we can place like some
Sobrang bilis niya.
or birch fence. I guess I'm going for the birch now.
Ah!
Okay. Now we're going to fill the rest.
Ah!
And also create a line over there.
Front ba yung ginawa mo?
Mm-mm. Tapos yung sa back, memorize ko na.
Kaya mo.
Ay, tatagal na lagi! Ay, tain. I'm smart. Ako din. Pag tayo mabagal sa ganyan. Ah! Ah! Then over here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh! Please help me over here. And over here in the back. Oh my gosh! What are you doing? Why did you break the glasses? Thank you for helping me. And then, let's play the tutorial edit. No. Ay, mali. 0, 3, 1, 5. Yun! And then, what do we have here?
Your filter is so awesome.
Why did you say that?
So fire.
What did you say that I'm over vlogging? What are you laughing?
Because you're...
Going to do
Why are you laughing?
side, so we go in by one.
Because
Create
your...
1, 2,
Kill power
3.
is so amoy fire.
and fill it
1, 2, 3.
Mamaya.
glass
4.
panes.
Uy, tatlo lang yun.
Hanggang 30 lang.
Bagal oh. Bagal oh.
Why? He's so slow.
Okay, I'm going to
So
create a
cute.
line over there.
Yeah.
Uy, alam ko, tatakpan niya yung buong ano niyan.
Ay, oo.
Glass.
Yes. He's covering that.
And fill the
Oh,
roof.
tignan mo, tulungan mo ka bilis para mauna natin siya. Fast forward niya eh.
Hello, tayo.
Daya.
Dito na ba tayo? Bilis na.
Okay.
Buti na. Bilis.
That's so funny, guys.
So fast, bilis. So fast.
He's so fast. Because his face is so ugly. What? No. He's so fast because his face is so ugly.
Isa na nga lang sa'yo, naunahan pa kita.
Tatain.
Tignan mo.
What the poop?
Dinunate mo, no? Are we done?
Nothing. And oh my gosh!
Oh, I know it. 1, 3, ay,
What?
1, 1, 0, 3, 1, 5. Ayun eh.
Tapos, What next?
Now on the left side,
On the left side,
um,
left
count
side of
up
the
1,
front.
2, 3, and 4.
Three!
And on the fourth block, we
the
go
fourth
in
block,
by
1,
2,
2, 3.
and to the third one, we
Third
place a
one,
quartz
place a
block.
quartz of
So
block.
once again,
So once
1,
again,
2,
1,
3,
2,
and
3,
4,
and 4.
then 1,
Then 1,
2, and the
2,
third one.
and the third one.
Yeah.
Now from this block, we
from this
place
block,
12 more.
12 more.
In total, it's going
12
to be
more.
13. So this is already 1,
1,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Uy, 13 ba to?
Go back.
Ano mo ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay. Okay. Ulit nga, ulit nga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Count up.
7,
1,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16.
1, 2, 3, and on the fourth one, we place another quartz block and bring it. Let me just see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Kain.
Twelve lang to, di ba?
Well, actually, we can place like 4 more to this line.
Ay, bakit ganun? Hindi nilagay niya din.
3, and on the fourth one, we place another quartz block and bring it. Let me just see.
Release pa daw.
Ay, 11 lang yan.
3.
Tapos 12 na yan. Dadagdagan
Well,
niya.
actually, we can place like 4 more to this line. So in total, it's going to be 17. So this line is 17
Then
blocks
put
in
the
total.
block here.
And this one is, well, let me just see. 1, 2, 3,
Ah!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this line is 12 blocks, and this line is 17. Okay?
17. I gonna be
Now, the next thing we're going to do is to bring this back to the ground. And also, we're going to bring this
oh,
to the lower line. Then we go to the other side and create the same shape. So all we need to do is to come over there,
Bilis.
count 3 in. 1, 2, and 3.
free.
From the third block, we count 4 up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And onto the fourth one, we place a quartz block. So 1, 2, 3 in, and 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one. And place 16 more. So this is already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So 17
4,
total.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we're gonna place right here some blocks like that. Bring it. Yeah.
From this block, count up 4 again.
Ang bagal mo kasi.
From the fourth one,
You're so slow, man.
it was 12 blocks, I guess. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Principal. And then we're gonna put right here some block of quartz.
All we do is to connect the two sides.
What? Dito mo, dyan ka na lang pitain. Ah, ako na dyan. Ay,
Now I'm going to fill
sige, ikaw na.
these two walls up with quartz blocks. So let me just start on the lower one.
Dito. Ang bilis tayo. Ang bilis tayo! Uy, tayo! Ang bilis nyo!
Bakit sobra tayo? Ilan ba yun dito sa kabila? Ilan?
12!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tama?
Tayo?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Trying to interpret siya.
Ay, ito.
Ay, dito. 13 nilagay mo eh. Kaya pala nalilito ako sa bed.
Wag na.
I'm going to fill these two walls up with quartz blocks. So I will start on the lower one.
That's so funny, guys.
Bray mo yung nagkamali ko.
I'm thinking about to grab some
Naglalag ka?
parachute planks
Kain. Yeah.
and create 4 lines onto this side.
Kita.
Well, I'm thinking about to grab some parachute planks.
Ang bilis niya siya. Ang bilis niya siya. Kita. Sobro tae.
Apat lang ba? Sobra ba? Stop.
Wala. Ay, sige na nga, ikaw na. Napagod ako.
Pagod, wala kang ginawa. Sobrang bilis kasi itong bakla na to.
Sino?
Itong nasa big big.
Yung kasi mukha niya nagmumukhang tae. Ay, pati pala
Hindi
swimming
pa nga
pool
siya
siya kaya.
nag-face reveal. Bilis na.
Oo naman. Ay, nag-face.
Ay, wait lang.
Nag-face reveal na tayo, di ba? Kasi si Amaan.
Ikaw lang nag-face reveal.
Ikaw nag-face reveal ka na. What? And then, on this side, we're gonna place some this glass, okay? What?
Uy, namatay.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi akong sinabi.
So it looks like that
Kaya mo
now.
na ilagay.
It's like that daw. Looks like that.
Sa ilalim muna niyan, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Bakit nuna mo kagad yun sa taas?
Muna yata talaga sa taas eh.
And create
Tae.
quartz line.
Oh, tignan mo.
Tae! Tae! Ay, ang bilis, ang bilis. Tama na.
Hayaan mo na. Hayaan mo na nga kasi.
Sakit ng paa ko.
Mabilis.
Grab some gray stained glass paints. Place it around the edge.
Ang bagal mo kasi! Kakainis ka! Diyan mo pa inuna. Kapitan mo sa kapitan.
And to this wall,
Aba, memorize niya na.
windows. Let me just see.
Oops, mali. 30. That's it.
Okay, so all we need to do is to leave a 3 blocks gap
Oh, free.
after each of the pillars. Then
Ano, caterpillar?
paints.
Uy, tulungan mo
Fill
ako.
it in.
Sige. Ay, so!
Well, to the middle one, I'm going to create a door.
Ay, wait lang. Madali ka. Ikaw na dyan sa gitna. Pakahirap maglagay. Ako na pala. Ako na. Mamaya mo yan. Napakahirap-hirap.
Mamatay. Bilis kaya nagmamadali.
Baka may trabaho siya. Ayan. Wow, walang mob ah. Walang pets ah. Walang mga baboy dito ah. Ay, meron. Ay, kala ko shit. Anong ginawa mo? Bakit walang mga mobs?
Ano? Loot spawning mobs. Enough ko. Ay! Oh my gosh.
Start.
We leave 2 blocks on the middle.
Ang bagal mo kasi!
Place 2 over there.
What?
Maybe also 2 over there. And yeah. So now we fill the rest.
Ang bilis? Nope.
And now we can grab some quartz blocks and fill the roof.
Tae. Ah! Ah! Ang bilis mo, sobrang bilis, tae. Ah! Ah! Para kasi naman ako nasa balakman ko, putik. Ah! Lola! Nanonood ka po, hindi? Ay, wait lang. Gumagawa po kami mansion sa Minecraft. Sabihin ko yun, alam mo si Rigel, kaklase ko. Gumagawa ng mansion sa Minecraft. Bahay na natin to. Mansion. Dami pa niyan.
May butas doon.
Sige, sige. Tapos, tignan na natin. Mob loot. Uy. Ay! Ay, tael!
Ang bagal. Ang bagal.
Uy, what are you doing there? Huh?
Sobrang bilis.
Okay, once that's done,
Bagal.
we go back to the road.
Sige na sana.
We grab some spruce wood
Ay!
Wait lang. Wait lang. These process.
Is process plant. Ganyan natin.
And on this side,
Okra.
we can
Okra.
go in by 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Sorry!
Blocks 1,
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Follow. 1, 2, 3. Yung lalagay pa dyan.
2, 3, 4, and the 5th one. Greater.
Wait lang. Mali ka.
Wait, tail. Sige ako ulit ng grass yan.
Line
Tae.
of
Ilagyan ko ng grass. Ah! Ah! Palitan ko nga yun ako. Ah! Palitan ko nga yun ako. Controller ko. Yun na lang. Ah!
just
14, 16, 17.
a line over there as well. And also we can create a line
Tignan mo siya magbilang, tignan mo.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. Create a line over there as well. And also we can actually do this.
Sabi niya. 17 na daw kagad. Parang si Dondon.
And to the middle, we also create a line.
Ang ganda din.
So over a line over 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's going to be 17. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. Create a line there as well. And also we can, and to the middle, we also create a line. Let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we just create a double line.
Nabulay.
Or we just leave a little window on the right side.
Window.
Then place boards in the ground.
Kakatawa siya magbilang kanina eh.
Then grab some wasting glass paints and place it to this gap.
Ay, tail.
Also over there.
Ano pa ako?
Puro grass. Parang modern glass ata tong bahay na ginawa niya eh.
And we can also fill this part with birchwood planks.
Nga, Fritz. Parang modern glass. Puro glass eh.
And place
Wait lang.
with birchwood like so.
Wait lang. Mamaya. Fritz, tulungan mo na ako. Stop. Please stop. Uy.
Ano sabi mo? Ano nangyari?
Namatay na. Ah, tama lang ba? Tama lang.
Mm-mm.
Lagyan na kasi kagad natin ang glass eh. Baka hindi glass yan. Glass pala. Sorry. Bumagal na ako. Sabi dyan. Kaya parang bagal ko. Baba mo na tayo. Anin lang labas. So, di tayo makakapasok. Kahit dito din ata.
Just like so.
Tagal yun, bagal yun.
And we can also fill this part with birchwood planks.
Ano planks?
Daming dalo eh.
Daming alam mo. Daming
And
alam mo.
place glass panes to the yeah, so we leave a free like so.
Hindi tayo.
Then spruce wood planks. Well, let me just see. Yeah, so we leave a 3 blocks gap on the left, then a
3
3
by
blocks gap
30.
in the middle, and also 3 blocks gap on the right.
Free daw, free.
Grab some gray stained glass paints.
Hanggang sa...
Choco Sarap na. May tibay nutrients pa. Try mo
Dito
na.
yan, pintuan.
Place it in.
Alam ko to eh.
To the middle, we're going to create a door,
Oh, sabi niya eh.
like so,
Anong gagawin mo?
and fill in the right part.
Tae.
Well,
Ninyo ba na dito?
about to place
Ninyo ba?
spruce planks
Lang.
to the edge. Let me just see how it looks.
Ang galing natin to.
Ito lang.
It's definitely better. And
Ano
once they're done,
tatanggalin? Galing mo.
we go
Lalagyan niya
to
din
the
yan. Ay,
right
hindi
side.
naman ano.
Well, let me just finish the left side first. So, over there, we can just fill this up with quartz.
Wait lang. Madali.
If you wish, you can create some window later on. But yeah, we already have too much window in this house. And yeah, also I'm going to fill this wall with
Kamay, sampaling.
right side. Well, let me just finish the left side first. So, over there, we can just fill this up with quartz. If you wish, you can create some window later on. But yeah, we already have a window in this house.
Ah!
Yeah, also I'm going to fill this wall with quartz blocks, and later on we can add some windows. And we can also create like a little doorway over there. Yeah, it looks cool.
Ay!
Well, also we can just, yeah, let's just leave that line over there. So we go to the right side. We can also create like a little doorway over there.
Ano naman siya. Sabi na, sabi na,
Yeah, it looks
pwede na.
cool. Also we can just, yeah, let's just leave that quartz line over there. So we go to the right side. So on the right, yeah, let's just leave that quartz line
Bakit sa kanya pwede?
over there. So we go to the right side. We can also create like a little doorway over there.
Mami,
Yeah, it looks cool.
pwede mo pakihilot pa ako ng sakit.
Well, also we
Sakit.
can just, yeah, let's just leave that quartz line over there. So we go to the right side.